Oh, Pops, look at you. You are in your happy place, aren't you?
I love towing trailers.
You are trailering something all the time. Every time I see you, you're dragging something behind you.
Trailers are so great. You take everything you want, even if you don't need it, you got it with you.
All right, so I'm not much of a trailer guy. I suspect a lot of people maybe try, don't really know. Walk us through what I need to know to trailer something.
Well, if you're going to trailer something, let's say you're going to rent a trailer and you want to carry some stuff, move some furniture, whatever.
Yeah.
First thing you have to know is what size the trailer is and what its capabilities are. And on the trailer, you'll see one of these, and this is what hooks to the vehicle.
Okay.
All right? So basically, this one here is rated right here. The ball size is 1 7/8, and it has a capacity of 2,000 pounds.
And is that 2,000 pounds the weight of the trailer, or is it the weight of the trailer when you put all your stuff in it?
It's the weight of the trailer with everything that you put in it, total.
Okay.
All right.
So when you've got something like this, it says here tongue. Is this called a tongue?
Yeah.
So when you got a tongue, the tongue will tell you, because it's on the trailer,
Yeah.
you know, what do you need? And it's going to tell you this ball size?
It's going to tell you the ball size.
So 1 7/8 right
1
here.
7/8. So now we take this will be on your truck. You put that down and you lock it in. All right. Now the trailer is connected
We
to
like
the
that.
vehicle.
Okay.
All right, so now pull that off.
There, how's
So
that?
I got a little cross section right there. I'll show you what it's
Oh,
like.
does Richard know you made a cutaway?
Yeah, no. All right. So
Wait, so
now,
this one here says 2 inches.
This is 2 inches. So this is the 1 7/8 ball. So when I put this in there and lock it down,
Oops, hang on. Yeah.
all right, it's too floppy. Believe it or not, you'll hear it and feel it when you're towing the vehicle.
Small ball problem.
Yep, so take it out and put
Yeah.
this right size in, lock it in. That's in there good. All right,
So-
it rotates, turns when you're going to turn the trailer, but it doesn't come out.
Very nice.
So now
Okay.
pick that up, and you, obviously,
Yes.
you know
Big ball
that
problem.
you can't use that.
Not going to work. Okay.
So it's a no-brainer. Once you get a trailer that you're going to either rent or buy, you establish the fact that it needs a 2 5/16.
2 5/16.
Right.
Very nice.
Okay.
And then so the balls, these are threaded with nuts
A
and
nut
washers.
and a lock washer. It's very important that you have a lock washer.
They come and go off of this thing. Now this one here has got balls and they're welded to it. I presume the idea here is that one, what's this called?
It's shaft.
Shaft. So one shaft gets you 3 balls and just spin it.
And a hook to do whatever you want to do with it.
So shaft goes into, what's the thing on
The receiver.
the receiver?
Yep.
Different
And you can
dimensions
just
here?
Yeah, different dimensions. There's different dimensions that you want to make sure you match that up with whatever vehicle you have. And then basically, again, you want to match the ball size just by rotating it and lock it in place with a pin.
So in this case, the ball is sitting in line or right flat on the shaft.
Yep. And you want to know that size, but you really want to know how high the trailer is off the ground. And when I say the trailer, you want to know how high the trailer is when you set it at the place that it wants to be. You don't want the trailer to be level. You want it to be up just a little bit. Then once it's set, you lower or raise the trailer, roll it down to get it where you want it to be. Then you take and you measure from under here to the ground. That's the height that you have to match with your receiver and your shaft.
And
All
do I want them to be aligned? Is this
No.
is this a no-no?
That's a no-no, and this is a no-no. This and no. Yeah, wave to each other. Basically, if it's up and straight, the trailer's going to pull better.
Right.
If it's down, it's going to really roll when you go over 50.
So something like this, you could have a trailer that could be properly in line but higher than you have for your truck.
Right.
That's what these are for?
So what you have to do is get a drop like this or a lift.
Oh. So these little curves right here get you what? To raise it up or
Raise
lower it
up.
down?
Another one right here goes down, all right? So if that was the height from the ground to the truck or so on down the line, or this was the height that you needed from the ground. And they have a lot of different variables in between all of these. Higher or lower or closer.
You flipped yours over. Can I flip this over as well?
Absolutely.
So this could be used as a drop
Yep.
or a rise.
Exactly.
Very nice. Okay. Wow, that's clever.
Yeah.
Off to know.
Now this one right here is got the 3 balls. It's adjustable, so you can spin it to the one that you want.
Oh.
Okay, so you don't have to worry about changing the ball. Okay, now the other thing is it's also adjustable up and down.
I'll hold it for you.
You know, so if I pull this pin, now watch your fingers there, because you normally want to do this on the vehicle.
Right.
Okay, so now you can raise that up,
Oh,
or you can bring it down, or I can flip it over
over,
and get it up higher
up here,
or lower.
down here.
Right, and so that you don't walk into it, we got to flip it back down. Right down, ooh, right down. It will flip right under, and it will hide right under your vehicle, and you won't run into it with your leg.
Oh, have you ever
Believe
done
me.
that?
Oh, yeah, many times, many times, and it hurts.
Oh, so this is the Mac Daddy right here.
Yeah, yeah.
One thing could eliminate 6 or 7 of these
Right,
things.
and if you tow a lot, then you want something like this because you don't want to take the time to basically change the ball to fit a different size trailer.
Beautiful.
Now, the other thing you have to start thinking about is how you're going to activate the lights on the trailer.
So the lights that I want on the trailer, I presume they're running lights and brakes so that the guy behind you.
Yeah, you definitely
see
need
brake
to have running lights, but you definitely want brake lights because you
Okay.
don't want anybody running into and directional. So you have to look
That's
about
right,
what
right.
kind of plug comes with the trailer. Sometimes it might be simply like this, 4 pins, or you might get one like this, which is 7 pins. All right. Now the 4 pins are going to give you the basics: your right, left, lights, and brake lights.
And the
This
7
is-
pins?
The 7 pins are going to give you right, left, ground. It's going to give you a braking capabilities because the trailer requires brakes. You're going to need power to go back to power the brakes.
So brakes on the trailer wheels in addition to brakes on the pickup
Absolutely.
wheels.
Yeah, and the trailer could have brakes on all 4 wheels or just on the front 2 wheels.
Tap the brake pedal, it's going to activate those.
Right, and you adjust the brake controller in the truck in relationship to the weight of the trailer. So if the trailer is empty, it's light, then your brake controller is way off. But if you load it up and you got 5,000 pounds pushing the truck when you want to stop or the car, you want to make sure that you get help by the
Right.
brakes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Makes sense.
All right?
Okay.
So that's all important.
Beautiful. So,
Oh yeah, one more thing. So when I tow a lot to Florida, I may tow my boat, and I want to be able to lock the trailer to the vehicle when I stay over at night. I don't want anybody taking the trailer and unhooking it. So basically, this is a lock. You can put this pin through in place of this pin. That stays on it, and then you have this mechanism right here. Take a little key, put it in there, turn the lock, and they can't take this out. They can't remove the boat.
so this never comes off of the car.
Right.
The trailer can't. Ah, clever.
Yeah. Yeah. So it just makes it a little harder. If they really want it, I suppose they'd take it.
Got it.
Yep.
Wow. So this one really helps. It begs the question, what's this Mac Daddy right here?
All right. So if you tow a lot and you tow heavy trailers,
Like you.
well, basically when you drive over the road, you can feel the trailer in there. And if you're on a bumpy road, it can be jerky.
Okay.
All right. So you want something that's going to smooth that out. This bad boy right here has torsion suspension in it. All right.
Oh, wow.
So when the truck goes up, this goes down, this rotates, and there's a cushion in there to soften that jerkiness.
Wow. So
And
this smooths out your ride.
it smooths out the ride.
And then obviously it gives us the option for 2 different size ball size.
Yep.
And we can stick the stem in different heights. So low, medium to high.
Yeah, you can adjust your height.
So we got to tow this out of here. I can only imagine which one you're going to choose.
Oh, we're going to pull this one on because we want to be comfortable on our way back.
I got
It's a little heavy
I
something.
don't
Yeah, see?
people.
It's a 2-man.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.